Okay, we're here at Exponent in room 310. This is High Water Sound and High Fidelity Services joint venture. Today we're really at the heart of the system is the TW Acoustics GTSE table with two 10.5-inch TW acoustic arms. For cartridges, we are using the Miyajima Madaki for the stereo up front, and the Miyajima Zero cartridge in the back, all of which on a SRA isolation stand. We're also very fortunate that Jeff has the TW acoustic phono stage, separate power supplies, full, multiple 5 equalization curves, capable of 3 inputs. Fantastic phono stage. For power, we're using Audia Flight's Strumento number 8 monoblocks, being controlled by the Strumento number 1 preamplifier, all of which from Italy. And all of it is setting on a custom design UK equipment rack. Cabling is a combination of Unity Audio, High Water Sound cables, and Ortofon cables. And we are listening through a pair of Verity Audio Amadeus S loudspeakers.
And how about the power distribution here in the back?
Actually, power distribution is it's actually an old modified unit that we have from the shop. It's not a current available.
That's exactly what I do in our listening studio number 1.
Oh, fantastic. Fantastic.
Well, we'd love to do some listening, and I'll give the viewers just a little hint, sneak preview. Miles Astor, we just finished shooting a review in New York 3 weeks ago of the Strumento number 4, which is a stereo amplifier, putting out 200 watts per channel. And I've never heard Miles' system sound better. And I was just blown away by the delicacy of it. It sounded like real life. It didn't sound like tubes. It didn't sound like solid state. It sounded like magic.
Thank you.
So I'm looking forward to hearing that next. Can we play some music?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's spin up some Vanessa Fernandez.
Did I get so far gone? Where do I belong? Where in the world did I ever go wrong? If I took the time to replace what my mind erased, I still feel as if I'm here but I'm gone. Forced up in a rocking chair, feet away, rolling my blunt in the cigar wrap, living at a lesser mind. Never do take the time, waiting for my heart quiet as it's kept. How did I get so far gone? Where do I belong? In the world did I ever go wrong? If I took the time to replace what my mind erased, I'll still feel as if I'm here but I'm gone. Mama told me I was best, hug and punch in the chest. Girl, now be strong, let me take you home.
detailed with great separation of instrument and none of that dreaded boom that you get at a show in the bass. It's really, really nice. Great sound here.